Yo, what's going on, guys? Okay, so we just got here to the Roller Vertical Exploration Skate Park. This is the first park on my way. I'm just doing a tour across to the west side of Puerto Rico, so I'm just going to be hitting parks all along the way all day. And yeah, this park, incredible first stop. It's like massive tranny park right on the water. Got some big walls here. Honestly, nothing really too small. Like, it looks like the smallest piece of tranny here is like 4 or 5 feet maybe. And yeah, I got a brand new 8.5 setup, which is the first time I've ever ridden a board this wide. So we'll see how it feels. And yeah, this is a great park to get used to it on. So let's explore some vert. Pretty brutal out here skating in the midday sun. All right, I think next, gotta try to get a trick on this vert wall. Maybe feeble fakie. Let's get the rock fakie first. Gotta lotion up. Try one feeble fake. All right, so a fun little session at this park. Definitely a tough one to skate solo just because the tranny's so big. But yeah, hyped on that feeble fakie. Now it's time to get out of the sun and head to the next park. Alright guys, just drove about an hour, just got to the second skate park of the day, which is in Aguadilla. Got another cement park with some bowls. Let's check it out.
I used to,
Now?
yeah, I know.
Now he's saying?
No, because my flip flop, dude, it broke. I only skate in flips. Flip flops for life. I own one pair of shoes, and they're about to hit the trash.
What's your name, man?
Chance.
Nice to meet you, man.
What's your name?
Chad.
Chad.
Yeah.
Cool.
You live right by here or what?
I live in Ramey.
How far is that?
Ramey base?
Is that right by here?
Kinda. It's like, it's near Surfer Beach. You know where Surfer Beach is?
I'm from New York. I just got here.
Okay.
So you're close.
Hell yeah.
You were born here?
No, I flew here.
Nice.
But I've been living here for like 3-4 years.
Came here to surf or?
Always, yeah. Don't talk about. Don't get me started on surfing, bro. I'll pull up all the flips.
All right. Recording? Good?
Yeah. Go back around the ball. Alright, dude.
Yeah,
Hey, rip it up, man. Stay ripping.
nice to meet you, man. Nice meeting you, man.
What's your name?
Chad, what was yours?
Chad?
Yeah.
Gil.
Gil. Nice
Gil.
meeting you, man.
Nice to meet you, man.
Oh, yeah. You got it. So I was just informed that the skate park is closing, so wrapping it up and heading to the next skate park. Alright, so I just got to the final park of the day, which is Aguadilla City Skate Park. And yeah, lucked out, got some shade right now, so hopefully it lasts. This guy here. Yeah. What's your name?
Day today. Gabriel.
Gabriel.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. First side.
Yeah.
How long have you been skating?
Now, like, I started when I was 12, 11, 12, 25 now.
Okay.
I've only been off for like a year.
Okay. Like 13 years, 12 years, something like that. Damn. I think that's going to be it for me. yeah, fun day here in Puerto Rico, and time for me to go chug a gallon of water. I'll see you guys in the next video.